Hello again, my name is Panu and welcome to follow my sailboat building project. For last year I've been preparing this project by building this shed and collecting all these tools and building that big CNC router you can see behind me there. And now I'm finally quite finished to start the boat build. It is now mid-July here in Finland. It's midsummer. It's raining a little bit outside, but it's nice and cozy and dry in here. And last few weeks have been mostly waiting for things, especially that electric connection. Let's start by taking a look what happened a few weeks ago. All right, now the electric cable is on the site. They dig it under the road there and now it's laying just right there. The problem, however, is that when we prepared the shed and the pipe for the electric cable, we got the information that it should come on that end. So now the pipe to the inside of the shed is over there and the cable is right over there. So yeah, I called the excavator guy and he's coming this Friday and we're gonna first of all put this under the driveway there to replace that smaller pipe, and then we're gonna dig the cable right across here to that pipe over there. So kind of an annoying little extra job, but alrighty, that was a long day, but now it's done. The pipe is in there and the electric cable is in there and everything is ready. Next week the electrician will come and connect everything and then we can order the meter, and then a couple of weeks maybe it takes to actually connect the electrics in there. But things are going forward, which is the nice thing here. And summer is also a nice thing to have. Perfect weather. It's not cold, it's not too hot. Perfect. Now I'm going home and take a shower and go spend some nice Friday evening. So that was a few weeks ago and it was another little bit extra annoying project, but now it's done and the cable is here. Meanwhile, I've been having a little bit of vacation and time off from all of this, and we went very nice road trip to northern Norway to check the midnight sun and stuff, and some familiar places for some of you who have maybe watched a few sailing channels like sailing Uma or MJ sailing or stuff like that. And I have to say, the area, the Lofoten and all that is so beautiful. If you have ever a chance to go there, I suggest you do that. I will collect a little bit of footage from the trip in the end of this video, so enjoy that as well. But all right, while we were at the road trip, the electrician came here and connected all this, and also the meter is here. So now everything works and I have electricity in here. It was a long wait, but now it's done and it's excellent. So currently I have just 2 outlets in here, 3-phase power and 1-phase on here, and I can just use cables to power everything for now. Later on, when we have the interior walls in here, I will put permanent cables on this end of the shed. But that's coming a little bit later. This week I have been starting to think about the project again, and the first materials have been ordered. They should be here soon, maybe early next week. It's now Friday. And yeah, now I'm here to put the CNC router back in working order. There has also been a couple of new purchases. First of all, these are 1.5 times 3 meter plywood sheets. There's 3 of them, and these will be the table where I put together the frames of the boat. So this is all now here and waiting for that CNC. So that's really exciting. Another thing I went and picked up a few weeks ago was these, and they are very, very good quality pine boards that are maybe 5 to 6 millimeters thick. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use them for. They are so good quality, so I wouldn't like to waste them for anything that can be used a little bit less quality materials. They are also a little bit too thick for the frames, so I've been thinking maybe the keel would be a good place to put these in, but we'll see about that. It was a cheap pile, they were kind of extra, and they are very long as well, so maybe I'll figure out something. But anyway, these are the very first materials that I'm definitely going to use in the boat, so that's really exciting.
Subscribe.
So if you're new to the channel and don't know the background, this machine was built in my father-in-law's place, which is now sold, and we have to move it here. So now I have to recalibrate and reassemble some things in here. But now this thing has already moved in this corner, and the dust collection will be on that end. And now there is plenty of room in the middle of here to do things like that table, which I'm going to build the frames with. But yeah, now this is in place, and now the first thing actually is to make sure this is leveled properly, and then I'll start to put wires in here and things like that. Basically everything is the same as I have done already before, but as we are doing a boat here, so there's things I have to do again and again. Alright, the CNC router is now in working order. Now I'll just surface the wasteboard again and calibrate again. You have all seen that before. Now I have hooked up the vacuum for that. It should work quite well. It's kind of a DIY manner of things. It's now temporary. The cable for the vacuum is not long enough, so I can't keep it here just right now. Now I think I'll continue this off camera, and I think that's it for this video. The end of this video is just some footage from our trip to northern Norway last week, and enjoy that, and we will see you in next video where I hope we start manufacturing the parts for the boat. That's going to be really exciting. All kinds of stuff starting to happen now, and yeah, trying to go sailing and enjoy the summer as well. So remember to subscribe, give me a like, ask me questions. The channel is still small enough so I can read and answer all the questions and comments, so I really appreciate it. And if you want to give additional support for the project, the link to Patreon is down there. All that revenue will go into filming equipment and stuff like that. The more support, the better videos, basically, I hope. And that's it, and enjoy your summertime here in Northern Hemisphere anyway. Bye. I'm not really a travel blogger, but how amazing is this? There's the Norwegian Sea, continental Norway, and we are at the Lofoten Islands. Here in the background you can see
some sharper mountains like there. Whew. Yeah, we are just on the road trip, not really planning to climb anywhere, but the weather is so amazing that needed to do even a small hike on this small bump of a hill. There's an actual mountain behind there somewhere. Oh, what a beautiful place this is. Maybe someday I will come with my sailboat through here or something. I don't know. Let's see.